Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever pondered the idea of working in the UK? Today, we're going to unravel the complex process of securing a UK work visa from India. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a fresh graduate, this video will serve as a compass guiding you towards your UK career dreams. The UK work visa process might seem like a labyrinth, but fear not. We'll simplify it into digestible steps, turning this intricate maze into a straightforward path. Step 1. Identify your eligibility. This boils down to 3 categories. The skilled worker visa for those with job offers in occupations listed in the UK Home Office's shortage occupation list. The intra-company transfer visa, designed for employees of multinational companies getting transferred to a UK branch. The startup visa, perfect for entrepreneurs looking to set up shop in the UK. Step 2. Meet the requirements. These include possessing the necessary skills and qualifications for your job, having a confirmed job offer from a licensed UK sponsor, demonstrating sufficient financial resources for your initial stay, meeting the minimum English language proficiency set by the UK Home Office. Step 3. Prepare your application. Gather all required documents such as your passport, academic transcripts, proof of qualifications, job offer letter, and financial records. Complete the online application form with accurate information. Pay the visa application fee, which varies based on the visa type. Attend a biometrics appointment to provide your fingerprints and photograph. Step 4. Decision time. Wait for the UK visa and immigration authorities to review your application. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Track your application's progress using your application tracking number. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Begin planning early, as the application process can take several weeks. Consider consulting with an immigration lawyer for personalized advice. Stay updated by visiting the official UK visa and immigration website. Securing a UK work visa requires meticulous planning, comprehensive preparation, and strict adherence to guidelines. By utilizing the insights and resources provided in this video, you can enhance your success chances and embark on an enriching professional journey in the UK. So, UK job aspirants, take the first step towards your dream job and unlock a world of opportunities. Remember, with determination and persistence, you can achieve your UK career goals. Good luck!